Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins and it's Thursday night, which means it's One Sheet Wonder Night. For the month of June in my Stamp Camp at Home Card Club kit, I am featuring the Thoughtful Journey 6x6 Designer Series paper. So the first 3 weeks of the month, you're going to be seeing One Sheet Wonder cards featuring this beautiful Scenic Designer Series paper. Now, club members receive the download project sheet, which has the pattern for the one sheet as well as the measurements for the card. It's just part of the perk for being in my Stamp Camp at Home Card Club. If you would like to know more information about my club, click on show or more after the video and there will be a link to the blog post that talks all about my club and how to subscribe. So let's change the camera and get started. All right, so club members this month are receiving the full 6x6 pack of this gorgeous Thoughtful Journeys Designer Series paper. They also get a full pack of the Trio Pearls. They get the card kit to make 8 cards, 4 different designs, 2 of each design. They get a step-by-step video tutorial on creating those cards as well as a PDF file, and then there's bonus PDF files that they get all month long. So there are lots of perks to being in my club. Check it out. We are going to be using this print here tonight, and then after I'm done, I'm going to show you the same card done in different prints so you can see how it looks with the different prints in the pack. Now, club members do not need to purchase the bundle. The bundle that coordinates with the paper this month is called the Thoughtful Wishes. It is stamp set and die set. The only reason club members would need to purchase the bundle is if they want their cards to be identical to mine as far as the sentiments and then any add-on dies that I use for the One Sheet Wonders. So let's get started. Here's our print that we're going to use. I don't want to cover up my gems because I will be needing those. All right, so my card base, I think I'm going to pull out the boho blue. So my card base is 5.5 by 11. Let me cut this up first. When I have a scenic print, I like to use or keep that flow of the print going on my One Sheet Wonders. So I am going to cut this down to 5 inches. Save that. And then we're going to cut this into strips that are 1 1/4, 3 1/2, which leaves me with 1 1/4. So I'm going to complete or keep my scene going. Save this. Let's see. It really doesn't matter either side. I'm going to cut this strip down to, let's see, my inside piece here, 3 1/2. So I want to cut that to 3 1/2. This is the only waste we have of this whole piece of 6x6. Then I'm going to use my scorer. Again, this is 5.5 by 11, and we're going to score this at 1 3/4, 1 3/4, 3 1/2, 7 1/2, and 9 1/4. That is all our scoring. Now typically you would fold it to the front. We're going to fold it to the back. Let me get this straight. And then it would go almost to the front. I call this fold a reverse bay window, sorry. Because a bay window usually goes out away from you when you're inside, but this time it's going to come towards you. So when you fold it up, it will fit in a regular size envelope, but it's also gonna stand so that you can see the entire print. So let's get them good and creased. So you can see it's a Z fold, but instead of like this, more like this. Now I'm going to take my print, and I thought I would mat it on Basic Beige. It's one of the new colors in the new catalog. Just like that. That is gorgeous. But before I attach it, I want to stamp a sentiment on here. Do I want... I think Thinking of You Fondly. This is from the coordinating bundle, and I'm going to use the boho blue ink. And I'm going to kind of put it right here, I think. And now we're going to attach it to that Basic Beige. These cards come together really quick and easy, which is another reason why I love One Sheet Wonders, because they're usually pretty quick. This is going to go on our exact front of the card. So we're going to lay that, attach that. Isn't that pretty? Just like that. That's how it's going to come folded. But then when they stand it up, they're going to see these outside edges, which is going to complete the scene. So again, I'm mounting it or attaching it to that Basic Beige. Match the print. It's right where we cut it. So pretty. I mean, this card layout works with a lot of the prints in the pack, and I think they are all gorgeous. I'll show you what I mean here. Just a few more minutes and I am done with this card. So that's completely flat, but when they have it sitting, it's going to sit like this. So it completes the whole scene. On the back, I have a piece of that same Basic Beige and then a piece of white. Now you can, I'm going to put this piece that we cut from the bottom. And then I think from the stamp set, I might take this flower, which if you wanted to two-tone it, you would take your marker and you would do the leaves and the stem, and then you could do your flowers in the thistle color if you like, which I would like to do that, but it would take more time. Do I have my markers? What colors? Mossy Meadow, I think, and Fresh Freesia. So, Mossy Meadow. Fresh Freesia. I'm going to do it. This is a pretty quick video, so we might as well. I'm just looking for my block. Oh, yikes, sorry. I'm going to take this one off the block. Put this one on the block. All right, so I'm going to use the brush tip and color in my thistles. Let's see, I think I went over the top where I should put green. Oops. I am going to put my Mossy Meadow. Let's see. Can you see how I'm coloring it? I'll come down here a little bit. Use the brush tip on the side of the marker. ink it all really well. That looks pretty good. I think I want to come in here a little bit more. All right, I'm going to go back over those fresh freesia flowers there. All right, so sometimes it takes a little longer to do the whole image, so it looks like a little dry. So what you're going to do is you're going to, let me get this, blow your hot air on it. And that will re-moisten that up. And now I'm going to just stamp that in the corner here. Oh, yes. Isn't that pretty? And then it kind of coordinates. Let's get my card flipped over. See, it kind of coordinates with that. So pretty. We're going to put this across the top. So pretty. Pretty on both. Well, it doesn't matter which side I use, does it? Get my tape running here. So we're going to put that across the top. So the only little bit that we had left over was our only waste, which you know I love to use as much of the designer series paper as I can with no waste. Mat that on that beautiful basic beige. All right, come on. There we go. That's going to go on the back side of our card in the center like that. So not only is it gorgeous on the front, it is gorgeous on the back, and then it will set like this so you can see that whole gorgeous print. The last thing to do is to take those beautiful pearls and let's see, where am I going to place these? One there. We'll put one there. And we'll put one down there. So pretty. Wouldn't you agree? And then we got the back side. Oh my goodness. All right, so that is your one sheet wonder for tonight. Now check this out. Here is another print from the pack. This one I used the Blackberry Bliss and the Lemon Lolly. And see how that creates that scene with those thistles. So pretty. And then here's another one. It's got this one is matted on Mossy Meadow, and then the card base is the basic beige. So aren't they gorgeous? Love it. If you do not have this paper pack, you are going to want to get it because, like me, I love to create one sheet wonders with those scenic prints. It makes quick and easy cards, but they look beautiful. So again, if you need any of the supplies, please visit my online store. You'll find the link below the video as well as a link to the products that I use. Click on any of those and it will bring you to my store. I do appreciate any and all orders. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Click on that bell in the upper right hand corner so you always know when I go live. If you want to know more about my club, click on the link below the video as well. That is it for tonight. Thanks for stopping by.